Remember, brother? That big hill that goes up to the water tower and it's curved like that.
Sick.
That's a sick hill, eh?
Since I was a child, now it's showing its ugly face. What can I do? Music creeps into my dreams, wakes me into sweaty sheets, abandons me when nights died out. What can I do? What can I do?
These hills, man.
Stop this, get right. Stop this, get right. They come around to remind my head.